India is a land of incredible diversity. Each state has its own unique culture, art and tradition. Tonight we are about to witness a performance that will take you on a vibrant journey across India. From the heart of Haryana to the desert of Rajasthan, the vibrant state of Maharashtra and the mountain of Himalayas. So let us welcome our performance with a huge round of applause.
केसरिया बालम आओ पधारो रे मारे
inspire us. So I would like to call over stage our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. Brijesh Kumar Dubey.
Firstly, I will give a short introduction. Sir has done post-graduation in physics from Lucknow University and MBA in Human Resources Management and also MA in Psychology. Sir has done PhD in Business Studies from Taylor University, Malaysia. Sir has got appreciation awards for board results by Smriti Zubin Irani, the Honorable Minister of Human Resources and Development. Sir has been selected in 100 highly effective principals of 2016 and he has also got Dynamic Principal Award 2020 by EduFeed Foundation and also got Principal of the Year Award 2023 at Malaysia. Sir has got Lifetime Achievement Award 2024 in the field of education by Uttarakhand Governor. तो सर के बारे में जितना भी कहें उतना कम है. सर प्लीज कम एंड गाइड अस. प्लीज गिव देम अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज.
स्वप्न देखा था कभी जो, स्वप्न देखा था कभी जो, आज हर धड़कन में है. एक नया भारत बनाने का इरादा मन में है. देवभूमि उत्तराखंड के मानस खंड में स्थित किच्चा नगर के लिटिल एंजल स्कूल में उपस्थित सभी आगंतुकों का मैं संपूर्ण विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करता हूँ. गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. इट इज द ग्रेट प्लेजर टू वेलकम डॉक्टर पुनीत गोयल एंड मिस्टर अजय कुमार वाजपेयी, डेप्यूटी सिटी कोऑर्डिनेटर CBSE उधम सिंह नगर, डॉक्टर मनिंदर सिंह गुलाटी, प्रेसिडेंट नानक मत्ता CBSE सावोदिया कॉम्प्लेक्स, Mr. Rajeshwar Joshi, President and Presented Members of Little Angel Charitable Society, Mrs. Jaya Rollaston, Manager Little Angel School, because under her guidance only we are running towards the path of success. The principals and the directors of the distinguished schools, the members of media who are the fourth pillar of democracy, the invited dignitaries, and all the parents present here on the occasion of annual concert and Christmas Day celebration of the school. Your presence gives us immense joy and happiness this day. Today we look forward to the Almighty who has showered plentiful blessings on us. Dear guests, Little Angel School saw the light on the day on July 1st in 1989 in a small building in Boring Gully with only 45 students and 3 teachers. Presently, 1,256 students are studying in this broad area. Then, due to the blessings of the father of Mrs. Jaya Rollaston, late Mr. Kanai Singh and Mrs. Angelina, the mother, the school was shifted on this present place. Since its inception, it has been working in the development of integrated personality of the students to pull up the intellectual human capabilities from various specialized areas. This includes the engineers, doctors, psychologists, social workers, CAs, educationists, and the people with visionary ideas. Few of the alumni are Army Officer Mukesh Bhandari, who was cleared class 12 only in this session. Medical Officer Mohammad Jafar, Bank Manager Rishabh Kalra, YouTuber Aniket, Gaurav Shrivastava, Naval Officer, and many more if I will take the names. I would like to mention the presence of resource persons who have been the part and parcel of this school for a long time. They include Mr. Keval Krishna Arora, Chairperson Loyce Public School Gadarpur, Mr. Gopal Singh Best, Director Greenwood Public School Sitarganj, Mr. Kundan Lal Khurana, Mr. Shyam Pujara, Mr. Dilpreet Singh, and many more again whose names I am unable to take due to the shortage of time. This event gives a great opportunity to highlight the achievements accomplished by the school so far. The school obtained NOC from the state in 2008. It was affiliated by CBSE up to secondary level in 2009 and upgraded to the senior secondary in 2011. Dear guests, the students in a school are divided into 4 houses, namely Ahimsa, Dharma, Nishtha and Satya, which inspired our students to be with the human ideologies. A school has well-defined list of programs, co-scholastic and co-curricular activities. The school provides various competitions and opportunities for inter-class and inter-house activities. Group discussions, debates, presentations, hard skills, soft skills, communication skills, interpersonal skills, and the core life skills are important constituents of a school annual program, due to which the students do not face any hesitation to perform. Dear guests, you will be surprised that total 534 students are taking part in the today's program. It is a very huge number. 534 स्टूडेंट्स को संभालना इतनी आसान बात नहीं है, वो भी उन सबको एक साथ सिखाना. इस दौरान मिस्टर विकी बेस्ट मेरे जो है वो कोरियोग्राफर है, मैं उनका बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं जिन्होंने पूरे प्रोग्राम को अपने जी जान से जो है वो संभाल कर रखा है. प्लीज विकी बेस्ट के लिए तालियां. So now I'm talking about the academics. In academics, the school produced an excellent result in class 12. With Shidra Ansari 93.6%, Bobby Gangwar 92.4%, Rishika Saxena 91%, Nagesh Rajbar 90.2%. Class 10th result being 100% with Gunjan 96.2, Shreya Yadav 94.8, Radha Devi Tiwari 94%, Rashi Ailani 92.4, Ashmeet Kaur 91.4, and Ashpreet Kaur 91.2, Megha Joshi 90%. While talking about academics, मेरी दो स्टूडेंट मेरे से बहुत नाराज हो जाएंगे अगर मैंने उनका नाम नहीं लिया तो. That is Riya Motwani and Radhika Kalra. Yes, while talking about academics, I cannot leave the names of two bright students, Radhika Kalra 98.2% and Riya Motwani 97.2%, who were the city toppers for two consecutive years, 2020 and 2021. The school believes in the motto that healthy mind resides in a healthy body and encourages its students to participate in all the kind of sport activities, be it national, state, district or block level. Prabjeet Singh, Hem Singh and Bobby Syal played at national level target ball tournament in Alwar, Rajasthan, organized by Bharatiya Target Ball Association. Aditya Kumar has been selected in National Tennis Ball Cricket Championship and represented Uttarakhand in the national team. The school has participated in various inter-school tournaments of football and cricket and secured various positions. Our students Khushi Mehra, Pragati Nainwal, Cheba and Vanshika Chauhan also participated in Khel Mahakumbh organized by Uttarakhand government and qualified for the next levels. And last but not least, Hemant Divakar has been selected for Mukhyamantri Udayman Chhatrivritti Yojana. Due to the restless efforts of the students and the teachers who provide able guidance to the students in both the academics and sports, many of the students have been selected in reputed institutions like Sainik schools and Navodayas. The school also takes the great pride in the selection of Nagesh Rajbar and Ashutosh Joshi in JEE Mains and Advanced, and also appreciate Aditya Arora for the selection in MBBS. It has been an endeavor of the school to provide its students with ample opportunities to get an experience of the outside world by organizing educational tours and excursions throughout the year. An opportunity to students to showcase their scientific temperament, creativity and talent was presented by organizing a science and craft exhibition. It goes without saying that it was a grand success and depicted by the huge turnout due to you at the event. The school has started robotic lab with all the AI support to the students so that our students of Little Angel can give the challenge to the modern technologies. We Little Angelites, while basking the sun in the glory of our success, do not sit on the achieved laurels, but tirelessly work to touch the zenith. At last, on behalf of whole Little Angel family, I wish Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Lodi, Happy Uttaraini, Happy Makar Sankranti, all of you from the bottom of my heart. In the end, I would like to conclude with the line, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have miles to go before I sleep. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Uttarakhand.
Let's continue this beautiful evening.
So let's proceed. Christmas is not just a festival It's a feeling of togetherness, warmth and joy. So what is the better way to celebrate than through music and dance? So sit back, relax and enjoy the wonderful Christmas dance performance of little ones that will fill you with energy. So let's scale them over stage with a huge round of applause. Keep clapping.
Everyone is joyful, there's
Merry Christmas.
What a marvelous performance it was. Truly, it filled us with energy and feeling of.
Let's move to our next dance, yoga dance by our brilliant performers.
चल तो रहा नहीं, लाइव चला तो रहा नहीं।
तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए।
क्या चल नहीं रहा तो क्या हुआ?
Give them a huge round of applause.
वो दूसरे वाले हैं। क्यों?
वो उसमें लगे बैठे, हमारे यहाँ बैठे हैं।
हाँ नहीं किया भाई तो बैठो।
हाँ बैठे राम
mindfulness and inner peace. Now let's move. Next program is Bhangra.
Clap along and feel the spirit of Punjab. Let's call our performers over stage with a huge round of applause.
दवा ग्राउंड दो
performance. It was through every beat of dhol.
Other students. So I am inviting here the names of some students.
वो बैठ
Shidra Malik, Bobby Gangwar, Rishika Saxena, Nagesh Rajbar, Lovepreet Kaur, Gaurav, Aradhana Gaur, Lovepreet Kaur, Tanuj Joshi, Rifa, Satnam Kaur. These are the students of class 12th. These are the toppers of class 12th boards. So I welcome all of them on stage. And along with these students, I am also inviting here class 10th toppers. Gunjan, Shreya, Radha Tiwari, Rashi Elani, Ashmeet Kaur, Ashpreet Kaur, Megha Joshi, Rohan Yadav, Ramneet Kaur, Khushdeep Singh, Rakshit Joshi, Mohammad Uzain Ansari. Please come over the stage. Welcome them with a huge round of applause. Because they have worked hard to get success.
I request our honorable guest, Dr. Puneet Goyal, Deputy City Coordinator, Dr. Mr. Ajay Kumar Bajpayee, Deputy City Coordinator, Dr. Chaman Bhatia and Mrs. Bhatia. Dr. Chaman Bhatia, President Independent School Association Kichha, Dr. Maninder Singh Gulati, President Nanak Banda Sahodaya, please come on the stage to distribute the awards to these students, meritorious students. These are the students who have secured more than 90% in the 10th and 12th examinations. So please welcome these students. They are setting up the example for others, and that's why we are honoring these students. You students, you all are our pride and everything for us. Thank you very much.
here for Gangwar. Please come over the stage. Give him a huge round of applause.
Radhika Kalra, the city topper, 98.8%, 98.2%, 0.61. Sir, please. Manyan. Ravi Gangwar, presently pursuing the BTech from Lucknow. God bless you.
ऊपर वाला रूम कहाँ है? इधर है वो। हल्का हल्का चल रहा है, ये तेज भाग रहा है।
Please come over the stage.
कहाँ जा रहे हो? कोई कैमरे तो देखो। अरे बिना बाहर ही है, बाहर बिना को देखो। बाहर ही आओ टॉयलेट में। नहीं तो
Now the students who played the tennis ball cricket at the national level, and these students have been selected for the international. They will play the next match in Nepal.
Rehan Malik, Aditya Kumar, Kartavya Gangwar, Kinsh Kumar, Prateek, Saransh Bora, Harshit Bhandari. Please come over the stage.
Yes, please.
कहाँ है?
Mohammad Rehan Malik. Yeah. They played the match in Veer Savarkar Stadium, Shayapur, MP. Aditya Kumar. Sir. Kartavya Gangwar. Saransh Bora. Kins Kumar. I want to call Deepak Pandey, PTI sir. Please come on the stage. Under whose guidance these students are there on that level. Prateek. Ma'am. Deepak Pandey sir, PTI sir, if you are listening me, please come on the stage. Harshit Bhandari. Trophy. Now the winner is coming with the trophy, Deepak Pandey, PTIR, and with the students. I request all the guests to hand over this trophy, running trophy it is, to the our honorable PTI with along with the students.
Give them a huge round of applause. Talia.
One student was left. Thank you very much. Thank you, students. And I pray to the God that you will be successful in Nepal also. Thank you. Get on this side. Now who is that?
One more student, sir, from KL Mahakumbh.
Hemant Divakar.
Hemant Divakar.
Yes, Hemant Divakar, please come on the stage. From the Khel Mahakumbh, he has secured 3 medals. And one of that we are providing him. I request Dr. Puneet Goyal. Meanwhile, I request all the teachers to come up to the stage for the national anthem to end up the program. I request all the teachers, please come on the stage. I request all the teachers, if available. Kindly be on the semicircle. Adjust yourself on the semicircle. Yes, sir. PTI, sir.
Rishika.
नेशनल एंथम में बैठ नहीं सकते. I request all the audience. I request Vicky sir. Vicky sir, please come on the stage. Vicky sir, the choreographer of the whole event, and the huge round of applause. All the teachers, these are the teachers whose work and सब कुछ इन टीचर्स का आपके बच्चों के ऊपर जो है वो न्यौछावर हुआ है इस बीच में. आप सभी लोगों को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद. सभी आगंतुकों को तहे दिल से धन्यवाद. मेरा 4th क्लास स्टाफ जो अनवरत काम कर रहा है सुबह से, उनको भी धन्यवाद. आप सभी लोगों को धन्यवाद इस कार्यक्रम में पधारने के लिए. 3, 2, 1, 0, start the national anthem. जाने गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग. तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे. Thank you all of you. Thank you for the event. Thank you very much.
Vicky sir, thank you for making the program successful.
सब चले गए क्या देख लो एक बार.
Be cheerful. Once again, we have to say to ma'am, what? Merry Christmas!
जाओ यार घर दो जना दे दो बंद खींच दी खींचते रहो अरे यार ऐसे खींचता हूँ आगे आगे
Sir, I request एक song only.
अपनी भैंस चराए अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है।